Hi students, welcome back to my physics channel. I am giving NEET MCQ solutions asked in previous year. Today's question is question number 40, which was asked in 2024. So that is based on dimensional analysis. 2024 MCQ in NEET, right? The question says force is given one expression which is acting on a particle in a given time t. The factor which dimensionless, we need to find out which factor in the given four option is dimensionless quantity. So here is very complicated question. Alpha beta or it says constant, force is given, you need to find out alpha value, beta value. If you find out alpha value, beta value on the basis of dimensional analysis, then we can, by substituting them in first option, second option, third option, fourth option, and we can come to the conclusion. So how to find? Let's take F is equal to what? MA, mass into acceleration. Mass dimension is m1, acceleration dimension is L1 t minus 2, right? So now there are two terms in the RHS. One is alpha t square, that is equal to m1 L1 t minus 2, that is equal to force. So from here we can calculate alpha. T, if you send it other side, it will become t minus 2, t minus 2, t minus 2 will become t minus 4. So m1 L1 t minus 4. Similarly, we can calculate beta by taking second term. Second term is what? Here beta t. Beta t is equal to once again force m1 L1 t minus 2. That is equal to beta. Beta is equal to m1 L1. Only one t is coming. T minus 1 plus minus 2. So t minus 3. Now these values, if you submit one by one, what we will get, we will see now. So you check it here. This is alpha, this is beta. First option is alpha t by beta. Alpha t is written here and t is written here. And then if you solve, you will get dimensions of time. So it is not a dimensional quantity. So it is wrong. Then second, alpha beta t. Alpha is written, beta is written, and t is written. So it is a mass dimension, a length dimension, time dimension. So it is also wrong. Then let us go to alpha beta by t. Alpha is written, beta is written, t is written. So you'll get this. So this is also, again we are getting mass, length, time, all dimensions. So it is not a dimensionless quantity. Let us go beta divided by alpha t. Beta value is written, divided by alpha value is written, and time is written, time 1. So what you will get here? T minus 3, then M1, M1 cancel, L1 cancel, T minus 3, T minus 3 will cancel, you will get answer is 1. So it is a dimensional less quantity. Option will be fourth one. So which is correct? Fourth one is correct. If you like my content, please view many times and subscribe, comment. Thank you.